enhancing a twin Okuma lathe and a Fanuc robot machining cell. This here is a machining cell with a twin lathe Okuma. The robot unloads parts from the pallet conveyor and then does a first operation on the lathe standing at the right, and then it does a finishing operation on the lathe standing on the left side. And it has a turning station to turn the part, so it does half of the machining of the gear, and then it does the finishing half of the gear on the other station. And it's very important to keep the chock clean of chips. And this cell arrived from Belgium. He had a lot of problems. Basically, the first ones were the cable and hoses getting trapped in the joints. So there I replaced those with something that Egos makes called Triflex. It looks like a backbone from a snake. It looks really like a snake. It's very flexible, and it works wonderful. And ever since, we have less problems than the original cable guys. This is an HMI that I added to tell the operator that it's not, because the machining cell, once it's started to run, doesn't require the operator to be there. And this is the electrical cabinet, and I've added all those relays to interface further with the robot and the pallet conveyor. And this here is a transformer that converts 220 volts to 110 volts because the machine had a central lubrication unit. But the central lubrication unit, you can see it's that yellow shadow on the back. Was replaced because it failed and it's obsolete, so we replaced it with a Vogel unit. And the Vogel unit, we bought it in Mexico, so it uses 120 volts. And that's why I put that transformer there. And this here is a handheld unit, the pitch pendant. And it shows messages to the operator, and those are written in Spanish because the enhancement I made is like this one I'm going to show you here. There's a finished part in station 1. Robot grabs it, and there's a lot of chips because it's a turning station. And these chips are first popped with air before the part is loaded. There's a coolant flow to increase chip deposition, and then the part is placed into a turning station. Robot blows air first and then lays a part on the bottom tray. Then there is another gripper that drives down, grabs a part, and after it turns, there's air pop. So the bottom tray is clean because there's a photo eye. And if the photo eye is blocked, then the robot thinks the part wasn't grabbed by the turning station, and it falls. This here is a time for cleanup. And the pallet conveyor uses Step 7 300, to which I've added a MPI cable to this schematic panel. And the schematic panel shows messages to the operator, like this one here, telling the operator that it's time for cleanup. You have to clean the Okumas, so the operator has to open the doors because there are signals coming from the door locks, and you have to open the doors one at a time, and it waits 60 seconds for you to clean out the machine. So this is to make sure the operator cleans the machine, and then the robot can proceed. So this is done every 5 stack of parts. And this is the messages showing on the teach pendant. Thanks for watching.